Hey cousins, it's cousin Rosie, and I have a super easy sheet pan dinner recipe for you to enjoy. So here at the chopping board, I have all of my ingredients, y'all, or most of my ingredients, and I'm going to start slicing and dicing everything up. So I have some smoked beef sausage. If you want to use like kielbasa, or if you want to use Polish sausage, you can do that. I have my russet potatoes, carrots, and of course, I'm going to be using my Rosa-May seasonings. So we have our two Rosa-May seasonings here. Don't forget, if you want to shop Rosa-May, go to rosamayseasonings.com. I'm going to grab a zip bag and start adding all of my ingredients into the bag, okay? So we already added in the potatoes and the onion. I'm using yellow onion. It looks white on camera, but it's yellow. I'm going to start adding in my carrots, the meat, and I'm going to drizzle in some avocado oil. You can use any other vegetable oil that works for you. We're going to sprinkle in our Rosa-May seasonings, seasoning salt, as well as our herbs de Provence. So once those are in there, or all those ingredients are in there, we're going to zip it closed and we're going to give everything a nice shake because we want to make sure the seasonings and herbs is coating everything in that bag. At this time, the oven is being preheated on 375. And now we're going to grab our prepared baking sheet. Okay, so this sheet pan obviously is coated, not coated, but lined with foil. And now we're just going to empty all of the ingredients out of that bag. Make sure it's nice and flat. You want a nice even layer. And then we are going to just make sure, everything was nice and coated like I said it was supposed to be. So just make sure everything has like the seasoning and the herbs all over. You don't want any naked potatoes or anything like that. And then we're going to place this in the oven. As you see, it is uncovered. We're just going to let that bake for about 35 minutes and we're done. I'm going to add my parsley on top. Of course, you don't have to, but that's it, y'all. This is a super easy recipe, okay? It's easy, it's delicious, and of course, it's on iHeartRecipes.com. So head over to my blog so you can print it out for free.